Hello everyone, welcome back to Mrs. Ray Food channel. In today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make 5 minutes no yeast puff puff or no yeast BOFROT. Did you know that you can also do it with Greek style yogurt? So whoever told you that you cannot use it, lie to you. They lie to you, because I'm going to show you that you can do it with any type of yogurt. Okay, and I personally prefer it with Greek style yogurt. And also, this recipe marks the beginning of our FOODMAS. You know, each year I try to post a few recipes for Christmas to give you a Christmas idea. So this is our #1 video. So if you are interested, please keep on watching this video with me, and I'll see you very soon for another Mrs. Jury recipe. Let's get started. For this recipe, you need vanilla extract. I am also going to use nutmeg powder. I'll be adding 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 cup of Greek style yogurt, 1 cup of flour, and a 1/4 cup of sugar. And by the way, if you are in the UK, this is the yogurt I used. So it is a Tesco Greek style yogurt. So this is if you are in the UK. Next, in a container, add in 1 cup of leveled flour. And this time I am using plain flour or all-purpose flour. By the way, you can also achieve this recipe if you use self-raising flour. But if you use that one, you cannot add any baking powder, because the baking powder is already included in the self-raising flour. Okay, now add in 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder. Next, mix the flour and the baking powder together. Why? Because these two are separate, and as I said, this is not self-raising flour. Okay, on to the next step. Now add in the sugar, which is about 60 grams or a 1/4 cup, and you can also add in 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg powder. If you want to use the grated one, please go ahead and use it. And now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, which is totally optional, but it gives it a nice taste. And last but not least, we are going to add in our yogurt, and this is Greek style yogurt, and it is 1 cup of it. And I really love this texture because it is thick but not too thick, you know, and it is perfect for this recipe. Now that you have added your yogurt, mix everything together. But if you want to use the liquid yogurt, please do it, but this is my recipe and I think it is a good one. So this is what you have to achieve. This is our puff puff batter, and there is no resting time. You can fry it straight away. Next, heat up enough vegetable oil, and when the oil is hot but not too hot, you can start to scoop in your BOFROT or puff puff. You can also use 2 spoons to do it, or manually like I'm doing. I think it is easier to do it manually, but it depends on you. You know, something with this puff puff is that there's no resting time, because when you're using yeast, you have to let the dough sit for about an hour or so, but with these ones it's instant. You can fry it straight away. All right, my friends, so these are my puffs after maybe 1 or 2 minutes, and as you can see, they're starting to look very, very good. Okay, and I am going to turn them over so that it fries evenly. And also regarding the yogurt, you can also use the vanilla flavored one, and I bet it's gonna taste so good, especially if you like vanilla. So there is so many options, so many yogurt types. Be adventurous, use the one you like, and try different recipes. But so far, these new instant puff puffs are the best I have ever made. Really, it is a very nice discovery. And by the way, this is my own recipe, so I tested it before recording it and before giving you the recipe. So I really hope you're going to like it. All right, my dear friends, so now I am going to take them out of the oil, and I'm going to let it drain on kitchen towel. Okay, and this is it. Oh, by the way, you've got a little close up here of my puff puff, and can't you see how good they look? All right, so here I'm going to open one for you to see how it looks like on the inside. And I'm so sorry, I was doing it very quickly because it was hot, very, very hot, and in fact it was burning my fingers. But this is it, this is how it looks like on the inside, and as you can see, it is perfectly fried, nice and soft. You can even see by the video that these puffs are so soft. All right, friends, so this was my recipe, my 5 minutes no yeast puff puffs or BOFROT, and I really hope you enjoyed watching this, that this is something new to you, and that you are willing to try. Why not try it for Christmas, in the morning, maybe Christmas Eve, I don't know, but you really need to try. It is a must try, a lifesaver. It is quicker, it is softer, it is tastier. So thank you all for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave me messages, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye. God bless you all.